The Dow is working on getting comfortable back above the 25,000 mark, as lots of people scratch their heads over North Korea, Iran and the Cavs-Celtics series. In these topsy-turvy times, at least, there are still some constants, such as millennials' love for avocados. And if you take that indisputable fact, mash it up and add a few spices, then you can produce a delicious chart of the day. It's a StockTwits duo that is serving up the chart: the social network's co-founder, Howard Lindzon, and user Matthew Timpain. Former portfolio manager Timpain, aka offbeat operator, dished out the illustration below for Caliva growers CVGW, minus 6.49% back when the avocado producer's stock was around $95. It's now at $97. At offbeat operator, it's still in an uptrend. Caliva's momentum and relative strength are fading a bit, but it's still in an uptrend. Timpain says. The company is the leader in the avocado market, with strong profit and revenue, he adds, in noting that he has been long the small-cap stock. Other StockTwits users are digging Caliva's moves as well, with one looking at a multi-year chart and expressing surprise at how steadily the stock has gone straight up. It probably can't hurt that China's middle class is developing a taste for what's called butterfruit over there. That's his tweeter-in-chief. Trump rhapsodizes about that country buying practically as much as our farmers can produce, and commodities-related plays are touted as a promising investment for the economic expansion's late innings. Don't miss why the China trade gap will get worse this year, no matter what Team Trump comes up with. And see, young people should step away from the avocado toast and do this. All the low-hanging fruit has been picked, says Nation that. Put wheels on luggage less than 20 years ago. Morgan Housel. At Morgan Housel, May 22, 2018. Key market gauges: actual gold GCM 8, minus 0.20% is modestly higher, as futures for the Dow YMM 8, 0.12%, S. That's after the Dow DJIA, minus 0.30%, S. Oil US, CLM8 is higher as bulls say the rally is just getting started, while the dollar index DXY, 0.08%, is losing ground. Bitcoin BTC USD, minus 0.02%, is holding around $8,200. See the Market Snapshot column for the latest action. The quote, "It would be a great mistake for Kim Jong-un to think he could play Donald Trump," Vice President Mike Pence warned North Korea's leader in a Fox News interview last night. The VP is among the Washington crowd bracing for next month's Kim-Trump summit. That's as the Trump administration escalates its demands on Iran, which in turn is threatening to respond with a strong punch to the mouth. Some folks say the meeting with Kim won't actually happen, but the commemorative coins are ready. Less than a month to Trump-Kim summit, White House Communications Agency, WHCA, releases its trip coin. This is pic.twitter.com/utage1guyyouth Peter Alexander, at Peter Alexander, May 21, 2018. The call not a death spiral. Reports of the retail sector's XRT, 0.82% death are greatly exaggerated, according to Adam Izimek, a Moody's Analytics economist. It's true you can find places across the country where retail really has declined, but much of this can be explained by falling population, he says in a tweet storm. In many parts of the country, retail continues to grow along with population. A death spiral. Go here for Izimek's Twitter thread, and here for his recent blog post. Read more. This new ETF is a bet on the death of retail. And see, these stores have thrived amid the retail apocalypse. The buzz. China trade news. Beijing plans to cut its tariff on imported autos to 15% from 25%, and a deal to get ZTE off the U.S. ban is nigh. Retailers are among the companies that posted earnings docket before the open, including Advance Auto Parts AAP, 1.56%, AutoZone AZO, 2.40%, Kohl's KSS, 3.61%, and TJX, 0.97%. Homebuilder Toll Brothers TOL, 0.33% reported, too. Deal news, Sony SNE, minus 0.02%, 6,758, minus 0.78% is paying $2.3 billion for a stake in MU Music, and Adobe ADBE, 0.51% is shelling out $1.7 billion for e-commerce firm Magento. The New York Stock Exchange is set to get its first female leader in its 226-year history, while J.C. Penney's JCP, minus 0.43% CEO is leaving for Lowe's low, 1.90%. Intel INTC, minus 0.83%, Google Goog, minus 0.04%, Google, minus 0.05%, and Microsoft MSFT, minus 0.35% have discovered a new Spectre meltdown variant. Tesla's TSLA, minus 0.44%. Elon Musk is promising a breaking problem that Consumer Reports highlighted will be fixed in a few days. Grilled Zuckerberg is on the menu today in Brussels, with the Facebook FB, minus 0.52% CEO facing heat from European Union lawmakers following the Cambridge Analytica scandal. It's an MYOB kind of week in the EU, with the much-anticipated General Data Protection Regulation due to take effect Friday. Props to the people who just emailed me with the subject line, your 1000th email about GDPR, Katie Martin, at Katie_Martin_FX, May 21, 2018. Random reads, LeBron bullies his way to 44 points, even series with Celtics. The French Open is punishing Serena for having a baby. An egg a day keeps the doctor away, according to a new study. Bill Gates has 5 books that you should read this summer. Women are hitting a glass ceiling in the marijuana industry. Rip Robert Indiana, the artist known for his Loved series. Royal wedding guests are selling their official goodie bags on eBay. It's the 1-year anniversary of the Manchester bombing. Thinking of you all today and every day. Ariana Grande sends message of support as Manchester Arena bombing remembered 1 year on https://t.co/hermivity1wrqpic.twitter.com/a1tdxkj6z. At TV News, Ative News, May 22, 2018. Need to Know starts early and is updated until the opening bell, but sign up here to get it delivered once to your email box. Be sure to check the Need to Know item. The emailed version will be sent out at about 7:30 a.m. Eastern, or follow Market Watch on Twitter or Facebook. And sign up here to get the Friday email highlighting 10 of the best Market Watch articles of the week. DD